Alright guys, welcome to the latest unboxing. Let's see what we have here today. I wasn't sure if this is going to open up easily or not, but hopefully it will. Ooh, look at this, look at this. Looks like it came in early, much earlier than expected. Box is a little bit beaten up, not sure what's going on there, but hopefully it'll be okay. It's like they stuck a plug in an awkward spot for whatever reason. Okay, come on. This box has been beaten up. Alright. There we have it. There we have it right there. So, we're greeted with the good old instruction manual that we probably will never read, but that we should read, and some extra props in the corner here. Let's see.
Likey.